Hey there YouTube, Petey here with another quick tip. This time is about using nail polish to label stuff for polarity. So here, this is some red stuff, and here's some lighter green. A lot of the red that I see is darker. I want to try to get a little bit of a lighter red color, and this lighting is a little bit intense for, yeah, so here's some red and here's some green, and we're going to talk about using this as a polarity marking indicator. So here I have this project in a sandwich container. This is a MP3 decoder board powered off two 18650 cells in this plastic battery holder. And if I can locate my flashlight, you take a look here and see, or can you see, I'm not sure about the red and the green markings that I did for the polarity of the battery. So up on the top rim, I've got red and then green, and then red and green, and then in the inside, there's green and red. And I usually double this up. I'll do 2 coats to make sure it's really visible. Like on things like sealed lead acid batteries, I find it really important running hot 12 volts to mark the polarity. So in conditions where, like normally I would put a piece of masking tape down and then get a red Sharpie and a green Sharpie, that type of stuff it's not the best. I think that utilizing this nail polish is a wonderful solution. So nail polish for marking polarity, and you want to make sure that you pick up this nail polish at your secondhand store, where you're going to find it for 99 cents rather than, I don't know, what does it normally cost? Like if you go to Walmart to buy some of this?
The cheap stuff's probably over $1.
Yeah, you could save a little bit of money by picking it up. But, you know, for me, the resale thing is, I love it. I love going to Goodwill and playing around with stuff. I have a screwdriver on my keychain. What? So? I don't want a label on it. What do you mean a label? I'm in trouble for peeling the label off this. Here, there's your stupid label. It's my nail polish.
Extreme wear, hard as nails. I need to know what
All right, put it back on. But yeah, like I said, I have on my keychain, I have a little Swiss Army knife that has a Phillips, and then I have a keychain larger size Phillips screwdriver, and I will often remove batteries from some toys and test other things, or set up little test rigs using whatever I can find. Like they'll have a DC plug, 12 volt, like a phone charger, and that has an LED that will respond to 12 volts. So you can use that as a test device, using pieces of wire, RCA cables as test leads and stuff like that. Oftentimes I'll call my wife, or hold this one here and I hold the other one over here, and we'll see how fast it takes before they call security. So, quick tip, using nail polish for polarity markers. Another great tip is getting it used at Goodwill. So, peace. And let me know in the comments section how much of a jerk I am for taking my time to try to share the love of this wonderful hobby, DIY electronics. Make sure you let me know how much of a complete a-hole I am for sharing this information with you.